Mami, di marami. Mami, di marami itong fresh water yan. Like sometimes di ko man ma. That's just okay for me. I already upload one. Oh my goodness. It's open. It's coming in. I can buy a play button and it will put my name there. Lucas JB De Palubos. It's actually my real name. Lucas JB De Palubos is my real name and my YouTube channel. Why Lucas? I don't want a nickname. A nickname means about, it's just a bit of name. A nickname. Dati Marcos sa PCA. Dati Marcos. Katong tigsabi ko name.